I'm gonna. Happy birthday. Sing. Would you like sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate. Happy birthday to you. Now it's my birthday. Did you even make a wish? No. It's my advanced birthday. Okay. Stop blowing it. Wait, let me blow one too. Sorry, don't blow too much. Who cares? Hey! I could use this for my birthday cake. No! It looks like Mickey Mouse. Yeah. After it's gonna melt and melt on the cupcakes, the wax. You better say that. Mickey Mouse. Oh shoot. Hurry up and give me one. Wait. I'll remove. Move. Why are you people doing that? Stop doing that. I'll hold it. Wait. Okay, now sing, Jenna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate. Happy birthday to you. Cha 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 cha. Are these cake pops? No. Yes, they are, huh? Cake pops. Okay, one more, Jenna. Okay. Happy birthday to you. You should have just waited for your birthday. It was almost soon. Happy birthday to Kaylee. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Cha 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 cha. Justin Bieber. I don't like Justin Bieber. Now how come you're right there? No. See, look at it. Look at the shirt. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Now put the candles. Oh my god.
Stop playing around.
Okay, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh my god, I broke the candle. Wait, Mom, help me. This is stuck. Help me. Won't see. This is my advanced birthday stuff. I got it last month for my birthday. I was supposed to throw this on my birthday, but oh well. It's not even your birthday! Not even your birthday.